Meow.
Hi, I'm Corinne from Captain America Projects, and I'm doing a review of the Sunjoe wood chipper. It's the little 14 amp one. It costs about $100. Doesn't cost too much, and it works pretty well. It can only do branches that are maybe an inch thick, and the larger ones have to be very straight, because you see at the opening up here, there's a small round opening where the wood can get into the chipper, and if it's curved, then it'll just give you a bunch of problems and get stuck. If you do find, it's already stuck, if you do find that the piece of wood clogs up the machine, it's a really simple fix. All that you do is you unscrew this knob here, and then you can flip forward the machine and get the wood that's stuck in the blades out. It's a pretty easy process, and that doesn't happen too often if you remember to only use sticks that are straight. So you may need to do a little extra sawing to make sure that your sticks are prepared before you want to chip them. So I'll just give a short demonstration. A cart about this size will make roughly a box of, I don't know how many gallons that is, but roughly a tub full of chips to use. So you just turn it on here. It's a pretty easy process, and I think it's a good machine, especially for the money. Only $100, it's not too bad. I mean, wood chippers that can really get into it and chip away at thick branches cost you thousands and thousands of dollars. So I think this is good for the project that I got going. So as you can see here, you can add it to your gardens as a simple ground cover, and it'll cut down a lot on your weeding time. So I think that the Sunjoe wood chipper is a good product. Thank you. And as you can see here, you can add it to, oh, don't show that because there's dog poop all over it. So overall, I think it's a great project. No, let's do that again. So as you can see here, you can add it to your gardens as a ground cover, and it'll make for less weeding that you'll have to do. So overall, I think it's a good product. Let me do it one more time.